Hello, dear ones. I hope you're doing well. Today we have a tutorial on installing and using GPT4ALL, its settings, downloading various models from within the software or its website, and downloading from the HuggingFace website. So, stay tuned. Alright, let's go for GPT4ALL. First, we enter the GPT4ALL website. Here, based on your operating system, you can download the installation file. Installation instructions for various operating systems are provided. Here, you can view the benchmarks for the models. We arrive at this point. Here, you can see the downloadable and tested models for this software. You will also find the required RAM and the size of the models for execution here. Alright, let's move on to downloading the software. I'm using Windows as my operating system, so I'm downloading the Windows installer. You should download based on your operating system. Let's wait a bit for the installer file to download. We open the installer. Click on Next. Here we specify the installation location. I'll keep it at the default location. Next. 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 We click on Install at this point. Great, it has been successfully installed. Now, let's click on Finish. Now, open the software. Here, you can view the tested and downloadable models for the software. You can also enter the OpenAI API key here and use ChatGPT within this software. These are some other models that you can download. Well, I'm going to download this model. As you can see, model is downloaded. The next step is downloading a model directly from the GPT4ALL website, which will reach shortly. Alright, let's scroll down. From this section, you can download the models. For example, I want to download the OpenOrca model. Also, you have the option to download uncensored models if you prefer. Let's wait for the download of this model to complete. What we need to do is to copy or cut the downloaded model and paste it into the folder where we installed the GPT4ALL software. Now, open the GPT4ALL. As you can see, the model we downloaded and placed in the folder is now available here. From this section, you can start a new chat. Here is the setting, theme, font size, selecting CPU or GPU, default model, change the default location of the model files, number of CPU threads, saving chats on the hard disk, not recommended, activating the API, which is for professional use. Now let's write a prompt for using the downloaded model. It's working and writing, as you can see. And let me teach how to download model from HuggingFace website. Click on Models. You can see various models available for download. If you have a specific model in mind, you can use the website's search section to find it by typing its name. I want to download Orca 2. To use this model, we need to find its GGUF format on this website. For this, you can search for the model's name along with GGUF. Let's scroll down. Here, you can download the model. As for the abundance of models, It is related to quantization, ranging from Q2 to Q8, as our friend has indicated. I recommend checking my previous video, which I'll link here, as it provides a detailed explanation of quantization. In summary, quantization is related to both the quality and size of the models. Now I will download the Q5 medium model. Here, click on the download button. Let's wait for a moment. Just like before, you copy or cut the downloaded model and paste it into the folder where you installed GPT4ALL. Now, open the GPT4ALL. As you can see, the downloaded Orca 2 model is now available within the program. Now, let's write a prompt again to test the model. As you can see, it's working perfectly fine. Well, my dear friends, we've come to the end of this tutorial. I hope it was helpful for you. Liking, commenting, and subscribing provide me with more motivation to create content, so please support me.